Hi, I'm here with a short video to show you how to make a sensory bottle that we're going to use for another activity later. So I'm going to lower my camera here for you. So I'm starting out with a bottle of water. This was a bottle that we already drank and I just refilled it with tap water almost full. I left about that much empty at the top. I'm going to take some glitter. I have bought this from Amazon. I ordered it and they delivered a whole assortment of glitters, and this is fine glitter. It probably would have been better with coarser glitter, but it's what I got. I put it into a bathroom cup, and I'm just going to pour that into the bottle slowly so that I hopefully don't spill it all over my desk. So I just mixed together some yellow and green there. I'm going to take some food coloring. I just chose green. I'm going to put in about 3 drops. Close that guy up. And then you can add some beads. I got these from Target. They're just regular like crafting beads. I'm not going to put them in this one just because I'm making it a little different. And then I have some baby oil that I got from the Dollar Tree. You can use mineral oil, you can use cooking oil. The idea with the oil is that it helps everything stay separate so that when you shake the bottle, the glitter swirls around a little bit more. Or in this case, it sinks to the bottom as it just did. Once you got everything set up, grown-ups might want to take some glue, even just Elmer's glue or hot glue, put it on the inside of the lid, and then put that on top so that the kids can't reopen it. Or if you don't have glue, you can take some masking tape, duct tape, painter's tape, electrical tape, whatever you have to kind of keep the lid on there. And then once you turn it upside down and shake it up a little bit, hopefully the glitter will redistribute and you can see it move around in the bottle. Because I used green and green, it's a little bit harder to see, but you can experiment with different colors and different things. And like I said, we're going to use these for an exercise video, which I'm going to include later.